Hey guys, welcome back to Communication with Casey. How are you all doing? Today, let's discuss may and might. Both are used for possibility. You know this, I'm sure. If you don't know, let me tell you in detail. May और might का use हम possibility show करने के लिए करते हैं. ये हो सकता है, ऐसा हुआ होगा, ऐसा हुआ होगा in past or even in present. Both the uses. Today we'll discuss their differences and how to use them. बिफोर दैट लेट्स नो दैट मे और माइट को पॉसिबिलिटी में यूज तो हम करते ही हैं, प्लस देर इज अनदर यूज ऑफ मे विच इज टू आस्क फॉर अ परमिशन. मे आई कम इन टू द क्लास मैम. So here you're using may to show that you want to ask someone to take that permission. Clear? But today we are just going to discuss about the possibility and different or varieties of how we can use them in different ways in grammar. That also we can use, and of course speaking as well. So let's say that मैंने आपको बोला कि कल हो सकता है बारिश हो सकती है, राइट? मैं आपको ऐसे बोल रही हूँ, तो आई विल से ना कि इट मे रेन टुमारो, एंड ऑल्सो आई कैन से दैट इट मे बी रेनिंग टुमारो. It may be raining tomorrow. Similarly, I also can say that it might be raining tomorrow. But what is the difference between them? Nothing as such. Actually, both are same. But very, very, very basic difference is may को आप तब यूज करोगे जब ज़्यादा होगी पॉसिबिलिटी उस एक्शन के होने की. माइट को आप थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा नहीं है, थोड़ी बहुत आपको लग रहा है 10% समथिंग है, 5% समथिंग है, बट वेन यूर फीलिंग 50-60% है, देन यूल यूज मे, अदरवाइज यूल यूज माइट. सो नंबर वन वेराइटी वी हैव यूज्ड हियर इज मे बी एंड माइट बी. It may be raining tomorrow. It might be raining tomorrow. Clear? She may be in the room right now. You can check. She might be on the playground. She must be playing there. You can see, you can check. But maybe you're not that much sure about it. Your guess is not, perfectly right there. So there is a very less possibility, unlikely situations where you use might, otherwise you use may. Now, difference is same, but here if I would use may have or might have, then वो कैसे use करेंगे? May have is used to show the present tense, like may have is used in the present tense, and might have we usually use for the action that has been happened in the past. She might have turned off the camera. उसने कैमरा को टर्न ऑफ कर दिया होगा. ना द बेसिक डिफरेंस एक और जो आपको याद रखना है वो ये है कि अगर आप मे बी और मे हैव दोनों को यूज़ कर रहे हो और आप कंफ्यूज हो रहे हो कि कैसे सेंटेंस बनेगा, तो यू शुड रिमेंबर मे हैव के साथ आपको यूज़ करना है वर्ब थर्ड फॉर्म, नॉट द रूट फॉर्म. रूट फॉर्म आप यूज़ करोगे इन योर मे बी एंड माइट बी. ओके, सो हियर यू आर सेइंग दैट he may be he may have played with the basketball, or my mother may have given him the remote, like that. So in that way we can interchangeably use the might and may, but with some alertness. That is the matter of based upon the context, based upon your idea, what are you conveying, is you are supposed to use both of them. So I think that's it for today. Just do comment below and let me know how did you like the video, if you have learned more about them, and make more sentences using may and might. Thanks a lot.